Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a new functionality in Mesh Morpher which allows us to customize and update certain frames in our animation sequences. So to do that, open your skeletal mesh in Mesh Morpher, go to Poser, and here we have the ability to select our sequence. We're gonna select a retargeted sequence, and here we can navigate. Let me close this. Here we can navigate through our animation and see all the frames, right? So for example, if we pick a frame here, which is gonna be frame 10, and we turn off. We have two possibilities here: to disable post process or work with post process enabled, right? So the idea is that the mesh morpher will write our modification in the animation sequence, but the result, if we go with post process enabled, might be different than what we actually made here, right? So I'm gonna go with the disable post-process blueprint, and I'm gonna modify a little bit this animation. For example, let's put this hand like this and just rotate it a little bit. And now at frame 10, we want to have this pose, right? So if we click update frame, it's gonna ask us if we're sure we want to update this frame, and we click yes. Now that our animation has been updated, we can turn post process back on, and this is it basically, right? So let's go to our persona window, and let's check our animation there. Let's go to frame 10. We will see that our frame here rotates the hand, right? So if we do the same for frame 11, let's go with something more visible, and let's do this, and let's update frame. If we go to frame 11, we will see our change here. So basically, we can update every frame and select any pose we want for that frame, right? So I hope will help you with your character creation and animations. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys, and see you around. Bye.